All'inizio era istinto innato, furore atletico e brillante incoscienza giovanile. Poi, per anni, diventa il miracolo reso sbalorditiva quotidianità. Gigi Buffon è stato il mondiale di una generazione, mai una Champions League o un pallone d'oro, crudele beffa. Ma gli italiani, sempre meno poeti e navigatori, ma sempre inevitabilmente difensori, grati gli tributano imperituro merito.
Yo. Gigi. Hey yo, I'm the greatest with the gloves. Take the game and made a name, now I'm all of the above. If you saying the illest, the realest, I gotta be the one. A legend in Italy, yeah, they love me like a son. I started out in Palmer, well guarded like my Dharma. Go to war without the armor, well rewarded with the honors. Well noted by the sport and all the scholars. Only keep it clean and never fold the collar. Hoes a holler, I need loads of dollars, yeah, I'm the chosen partner. So I hustle like there's no mañana and move in clever ways, hit them with a stellar save. I got a name that'll never fade, from Serie A to the Champions League. Keep a bad one with me, my Italian queen. Let the medallion gleam, just like the Ballon d'Or. And bet my bottom dollar that your top man won't score. That's the word, I'm the man out in Turin, the purist.
Santo Gigi Buffon. I deserve all the celebrations. Been here through thick and thin. Stayed for the relegation. Turn losses to wins. Praying for patience. Know my gloves is gold plated. Long as I'm between the sticks, there's no way in. Gatekeeper make a legend nervous. My demeanor serve a clever purpose. Can't beat me with anything less than perfect. Help the homeless, gave the kids free food. Ignore that PSG move. Came up short in 06, even though we don't want the whole shit. Got me so sick, couldn't name a better goalie who's seen more finals and never got a trophy, so hold me close. Ronaldo my only hope. Chesney gotta let me go ahead and row the boat. Got pulled in Italy like I know the Pope. Get love from everybody, from the kids to older folks. Super save. Gigi Buffon. Okay, Hob, let's go. I said raised in the streets of Munich, read body language and speaking fluent. I'm people movement, you can move as a unit. We can skip the wedding, join the squad at 11. I'm already a legend when it's crunch time. Hug the touchline, plus my touch fine. Got a good heart, squad too solid, sent me to Stuttgart. Had a good start, can't let you rush by, I'll take your card. Respected in the league, stutter step success. Couple injuries, torn ligaments and stress cracks. Still the best left back, yeah you heard lies, that's not even my preferred side. I learned to see the game from a bird's eye. Fly past me, bet you become undone. Beat me in a one-on-one. If he on, then I'ma shut off, son. Watch me cut off runs like that. Head on a swivel, like an owl. Watch his chest, not his feet. It's a tactical foul, kept it discreet. I'm pulling all shirts, get the ball first, doing small dirt. This is all work.
One of the best right backs in football in history.
Yo, you fucking with a legend out in Bayern. Red is the attire, never bench me in the prior, cause the pedigree is higher. Every time I touch the field, I crush the enemy's desire. A rider and a true cornerstone of the club, known to be loved, bet nobody holding me, son. Cause I'm locking down the wingers, and when we celebrate, the smell of beer's gonna linger. But I'm proper, you can catch me at the opera with the singers, or running off the flank. See, they love me like a saint, pictured in stained glass. See the picture that I paint, champion my own league, but I won me the tournament, World Cup to Brazil. How we did it was murderous, straight merciless. Yeah, the team captain on this German shit, but they love the way I'm flipping this grammatica. Plus had the vision and the stamina to saddle up, cause the goals won't be adding up. Hands up if you had enough. You ain't fucking with the master touch. I'm signing papers while I'm grabbing lunch. Yeah boy, I'm that major, y'all ain't passing us. Get your passion up, you've been the best in the game, so don't challenge us.
Fantastic player, without a doubt. I'll give him a 9.5 out of 10. Fantastic, it really is. absolutely fantastic. He really is. He's so good. He is like a brick wall. Honestly, you could drive a tank into this player and he still would not fall over.
It's that time for some fucking Reggiano Parmigiano, some Super Sat, some vino, some fucking cigarettes. I'm talking when they used to smoke like, you know what time it is. Bogies back to back. Hey, yo, Phil, let me talk to all the windows closed. Yeah, box of the babies. Yeah. 25 seasons with Milan. My legacy living beyond me. I pee on blue. You on the ball, then we on you. Like white on rice. We gon' fight all night. That's light. Take a car, man. Calm down. You couldn't hold my armband with the wrong crowd. Calm in the tunnels, but I'm a dog now and I'm calm still. Shouldn't have to move too much. You doing the wrong drills. Got suppressed, plus I'm next to Nesta. Ask the best. We done messed the best up, now who dressed the best up? Still got 7, can't disrespect us. Put you on the next bus home. Better check your tone, that may be why I saw me in 85. It's crazy, I made it to the Rose Bowl, second to Brazil, we were so close. I dropped tears, got player of the year, still third to my peers. 3 Europeans, so I'm smiling ear to ear. Red and black lumberjack, I will always be here. Just make it clear, so it's clearly. They don't hear me, so you can hear me. They don't really hear me, though. Weary.
10-15 anni cerchiamo di iniziare il più possibile perché abbiamo una grande squadra. Senza Tassotti e Donato l'anno prossimo come mi sentirete? Ora ogni anno perdiamo qualche pezzo, gruppo storico.
Yo, check it. This shit is my birthright, you heard right. I'm Paolo Maldini on the turnpike. Pay my dues till I'm pay-per-view. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to see me from a hater's view. Made my debut before I was 18 and ran through the Milan view. Stay with the same team. Made a name and made cream cause I played clean. And rock the number tray like my old man. And still got him put in work, Stain is my old man. Tough love around these parts, no we on hold hands. Let the Azuri judge and jury on your whole can. There's no chance when you step inside it, Giuseppe Matra. Plenty mobsters, heavy posture, steady watches. Ready clockers, deadly posture, any construct of formation gon' fall to an ovation. Yeah, or more than one, the whole flow sacred. Fail.
Talking about a symbol, we're talking about a player who represents an era. We're talking about someone who should be imitated. Few players can boast of a career spanning 3 decades at the very highest level. Fewer still are loyal to just one club.
Still death is a derby. It's about Ballon d'Or winners this time. Runners up. I know they all see me, either me or Maldini. From the fans in the stands with banners in Brazil to the Russians throwing bananas on the field. It's been real for that little kid from Sao Paulo. Make the wall move, debut at 19, this is all new. Shots like a grown man, 3 different squads in the homeland. I'm a nomad, they said Villa meant to call you. It's all good. Off to enter, threw off my center and energy. Roy turned my enemy, you lost the winner. You'll remember me, new adventures. Vamos las blancos, get the better me. Was Zinedine ahead of me, bending shots like wanted. Put some flavor on it. Scary to be honest, shots sting like a hornet. Put a hole in the mesh, leave your soul in the net. You can call for a change, you don't want it. With number 3, told a younger me, you got 23 years in front of me. Be hungry still, man of the house. Make sure the dungarees fill. You know the dead ball's mine, you ain't the one to be real. Piece to Beckham, had to check 'em, you younger than me, chill. Saw the goal, got the chills, you can get the next one.
Avant qu'il ne soit trop tard.
Say you could get the next one.
Roberto Carlos.
winning games from the neck up. Left back at the left field and never let up. My head up, feeling I'm ahead of my time. Took a trip to Fenerbahce, I was destined to shine. Been taking free kicks to head and pressing with rhyme. Every pitch I step on, command attention and I see ya. Never mentioned with mine, I got the presence and pride. Fuck they whole formation, still pressing them high. Was a player for Corinthians, the sections was live. Now, that's the end of the discussion. Big bags from the Russians because I kick that and kick back at the function. Big backs at the lunches, yeah, I did that, it was nothing. Homie, I been stamped, big stats on the subject. I used to spin cats, but I'm over that. Was a menace with the overlap. You can quote the facts. I set the captain for defensemen that be scoring that from the corner, and they got the culture from the older cats. Yeah, cashed out in India one last time. Worldwide recognized, cause Sun God Live is fail.
Roberto Carlos el disparo, gol, qué golazo. Acaba de marcar Roberto Carlos.
Yeah. Fayo. Gonna keep it going. Check it. Yo. You can find me out in Spain, I'm a legend of La Masia. Mira, mamma mia, my movements are maravilla. Sí, lado a lado, si vamos a cada día. Got homies flipping alas, cause lana brings alegría. Need a plate of that paella while sipping on my sangria. The maestro, nice flow, no question that I might blow. Got a feel for this game, could do this with my eyes closed. Want it all as a youth, they peeping my divine glow. Now, I'm worldwide in different time zones and stepping any fiesta, blessed like Iniesta. Master the fundamentals, but bet that we plenty extra. Heavy in every sector, cause I rock the 8. You get 8 like Kobe with the fro. While you hate with your homies on the low. I'm getting great, lifting trophies made of gold. Paved the road, now they praise me for my goals. Crown the king and take my throne. I'm cold, you know, it's fair.
Yo, I said receive pass offer. Play the space, intricate like a doctor. So I'm great, know my whole team prosper. With pace, your defense getting shredded and ate up. My name getting played up. Since 99, they been saying I was sent to save us. Can't make this up. I'm the man from 02 to Japan. Nobody do it like I can except Xavi. But he my right hand, how I danced on Manchester. Ask Rooney, Eto first then Messi. It's a movie, breaking ankles better sue me. Move like waves around rocks. Make you tape your socks while your manager talks. Back to the whiteboard. New tactics that you're trying to fight for. You need practice, thinking you might score. That's passion, taking this L instead is what's gonna happen.
There's so many facets to his game.
Lord himself, mi primo feo, hobgoblin, long overdue. We talking about the best players in the world. You know who this is. I said raised in the farmhouse, running to the flag with my arms out like John Barnes. Can't calm down, brought Barcelona B to the second division. If I'm on, we winning no matter who defending. Made the first team, them tackles don't hurt me. My footwork dirty, so who can touch? First going to Super Cup, man on a mission. Get you out of your position, let the winging and the fat lady singing. dancing through your midfield. I'm the man of the match, boy, this ain't a kid's field. Make you sit still. If you get jumpy, I'ma put you on your tail. 20 yards out, put it in the mail. I'm flat out the best, kept the C from Van Gaal to Pep, that's out of respect. Only one close to Iniesta, but I ain't feeling any pressure. No, I ain't feeling any pressure.
Ahí está Xavi, Xavi que pase dentro para Pedro, Pedro mano a mano con
Yo, the flow perfect like the passes from the Spanish sensei. Stand about 5'6", but feeling like the Kembe. Rock the captain's band and do this by me gente. With more strength than Catalonia's flag. I've been collecting trophies at the podium stand. In the pantheon of grace, that's the holiest land. You still catch me on my humble like I'm only a man. See, I put it on the diamond, put your goalies in jams. And I thread the needle like a seamstress. Seamless, genius on the ball, it's no secret. Peep it, how I kiss the crescent, pledge allegiance. Middle of the park, I'm the illest, that's my region. Champions, home and abroad, that's all season. Ass Villa, ass Messi, ass Henri. I'm concrete, no long speech. Number one in your top three. From the Euros to the World Cup, nobody can stop me. Fed Nino in his prime, see my service is sublime. Blessed with the footwork that be murking your design. They hurting every time, I'm a surgeon in this prime. Made history with Andres, but deserving of my shine.
Xavi the goal scorer. In this unbelievable game of football.
Cousin Feo, Lord Juco, what up, Hobgoblin? Supreme salutes to Eric the Red. Pop your collar one time.
Let's go.
Yeah. The chosen one, cause I rock pure. Started out in Oxford, left the block cured. Yeah, you know, clean as a whistle. Any league, any team, pedigree with an official, but they still loan me out to Martigues. I hit the pitch and brought the drama with the long sleeves. And then I flipped it to a parlay, found a home in Marseille. I turn opponents into parfaits. A hard case, still do it for the art's sake. I had visions of the Barclays. Say my name, you in harm's way. And shit ain't changed, we need that large play. Trying to play in big games is where the stars made. But they stuck me out in Bordeaux. And Lord knows board holes don't fit the wardrobe. Got love for my people and all the poor folks. And we jumping through the window when the door closed. Yeah, so don't be scared, cause it won't be fair out in Mopay, yeah.
Get your mollywop with my collar pop. From names to leads, narcotic shots. Any squad I bless is a team to beat. Better give it all and not even try and compete with me. Got a call from Sir Alex. Know I'm up for the challenge. Took my talents to Old Trafford. Getting better with age like old rappers. Started a gold chapter. Chest out, no backing down. Slap around and clown, We don't argue. Me and Mark Hughes got large views, don't let boys hear. First season got us 10 points clear. Lift the title for the first time in 26 years. Cheers, broke the Crystal Palace. Jumped in the crowd with malice. No room for fallacies, don't you dare challenge me, it won't be discreet. Let them eat my cleats, clean the sheet though. Don't even speak, bro. Won the league again, let the club breathe again. Another season in the history books. Some fans sick of me, look, I'm netting on legends. Quick as the crook, sending a message. Piss on your picture, shit on your books.
Cantona's first season, United were champions for the first time in a generation. His second, they won the cup. panic, don't 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 panic.
Yeah. Cousin Feo. What up, Juco? I see you, Hobgoblin. Yeah. Hey, yo. The name's Deco. Flow straight petrol. I ain't the middleman, I play the whole game central. Started in Nacional, took it out to Corinthians. Homies is off that roar, my women flavor Caribbean. Get love from all the favela and all the city kids. We play this game live in the street, that's why I'm city slick. Hood full of gangsters and idiots. From ugly situations, we elevated the pretty rich. Your boy been the truth, I'm here to say what it really is. One of the sickest and illest living Brazilians. But they gon' know the style. So I'm out in Portugal, control the crowd. It's feeling like Benfica, how I'm scoring now. And in Portugal, the golden child, doing the impossible like hoes that try to hold a smile. I'm dialed in, won the champions and man of the match. Word of Mourinho, I was captain at that. I got it wrapped like I'm trafficking packs. Like the fan base known to traveling packs. So where the savages at? We gon' hit them on the counter, that's the plan, the attack. And go and grab another title just to add to the stacks. It's Feo. Another one, you know what I mean?
David, not need him, it's Luis Figo. It's special goal from a special player.
Yeah, you hear the echoes, they call it Deco. Control the pace, hold weight till I let go. My touch perfecto, next to Ronaldinho, I won't leave the pitch with clean clothes. It don't seem so easy going toe to toe with me though. Second degrees with Figo, won the league though. A few other credentials, did it all central. It's all mental and healthy off the Chelsea. That's where Scolari helped me, proper sportsman. 30-yard screamer against Portsmouth. Fans know I'm important, keep a fat lady singing second start. I done curl one pass swinging, want the ball start digging. Don't stop till the whistle ringing. Kept scoring against the bar low, fell out of form under Carlo. It's a struggle, one to double out this world like the Hubble. Humble when my time comes still, and I'm back to Brazil. It's been real. My love for football, then end up Fluminense, still playing futsal. And moving crazy, haven't missed a step. They kiss my feet, so I switch to left. Don't miss a beat, position check, listen to me.
Yo tengo muy claro las cosas del fútbol. La gente insiste en que sea todo eterno, pero lo que quedará siempre es la historia. Por más grande que sea un jugador, por más grande que sea un equipo, pasará la historia.
Juco, cousin Feo, Hobgoblin. 99, 99, 99. Okay, let's go. I said, trials relating, running out of patience. Had to make a statement or arrangement with the devils. Came up with the Nevils, Giggs and Nicky also. Even Paul's goals winning medals. In the youth cup, you couldn't lace my boot up. Don't let it get to shootout, you get chewed up. Move out west end, north end of Preston. 2 and 5 sent a message. It's in your best interest to let this kid in his team start winning the league, y'all dwindling. Everybody know me for that goal against Wimbledon. Big off the field and on it, to be honest. Trouble wasn't enough, I'm astonished. Rivaldo deserved it. I fell out with Fergie, pine surfing. I was worried, join the night world, that's how I live. Now it's off to Madrid so I could pull up with a Spice Girl.
Beckham, oh my word, he's completely fooled her now. And there is the second goal for Real Madrid.
Made it out to Madrid, had to rush up on the Castellano. Became a Santo Sagrado without the Vaticano. Crosses turn volleys for Ronaldo and Zidane. Robinho, mi amigo, piece the Guti with the swag. We even won La Liga, I'm a movie with the passes. Yours truly, girl, Moody in the Jag. Move out to the West Coast, and I started for the team. Gave the Galaxy 2 titles with Donovan and King. Conquering the scene, I was dominant with ease. They gave your boy a statue, you can more elect the gleam now. Now they loan me out to AC Milan. They still up where Ronaldinho had to play with the guard. Legends just like Nesta and Pure of the Dawn. Show love to the Rossoneri, never fearing the odds. Had one last run, so I did it in France. PSG heard about the greatness, so I gave him a glance. Straight up. Yo, call me the native son. Became a legend with this game I love. Anointed one out of Madrid. Who seen destined out of thousands of kids. I need a crown on my wig till they celebrate me like the whole crowd with the win. My whole style is a sin, like they curse me with talent. From San Cristobal to Atletico, I'm a savage. Made my way up the ranks, learned the codes and commandments. It was factual and natural, it goes above average. Showed up and I challenged. Gold touch on the canvas, became a Galactico. And got love like a captain, rockin' for the Los Blancos, head honcho in action. So no mames, since Gonzalez was the constant attraction.
Said started with a crystal ball by my back door, kicking it to walls. Got what I asked for, 3 years, first medical. This incredible little stint where I let it go. Money was low, so they had to let it go. Whole academy gave me my batteries. Oh, you mad at me now? Well, let me sign these shoes. Madrid in 92. I had to be seen, you couldn't time these moves. Signed with the C team, 16 and 7, skip the B team. I mean it's for a reason, won a title first season. Only 17 like I'm dreaming. Make you an example, I quiet the camp. Know your team get dismantled. It's official right, yours Fisher Price. You dogs on the pitch, call me Mr. White. Might not like me, but the missus might. Give her a kiss goodnight.
Just Raul!
Play for Dynamo, failed the fit test, they still sign him though. So I stayed, won the league 5 years I played. We're getting paid for the kids from Ukraine. I'm saying I'm hungry. Knocked out Barca before I turned 20. Hat trick on Madrid, I'ma need more money. Cut the check, I'ma need more money. Go. I said Milan came knocking. No other option, I'm locked in. 24 goals in 32 games, my name poppin'. No stopping now, I can't settle. Gotta win when I play. Took my Champions League medal to Valerie's grave just to say thank you for showing me the way. Top boy, top biz, on the pitch we're not friends. I'm a killer there, I need silverware.
Hey yo, I rock it like Andre. Go against me, then you're going the wrong way. Defenders in for a long day. I can kill him with finesse or just hit him from long range. I made a name that the gods praise, and only live trophies when I'm on stage. So gifted and christened in my Milan days. Go ahead and step and get your squad play, player. Then I took it out to Chelsea, drove Mourinho's Armada. Played with Frank Lampard, Arjen Robben and Ballon. On target, I'm a marksman and a part of your problem. Even started with Drogba and scored a few for the Blues. Think the world rare moments, some beautiful views and broke lines with unusual moves or peak game. Brought it back home and sold it the league chain. Became a head coach and even a politician. World knows me as Shiva, had him stopping the witness. And that's word. Fail.
Shevchenko